Hi, I'm Anubhuti and I work as a creative manager for styling at Myntra. Welcome to the monthly Myntra Fashion Roundup. My personal style is mostly inspired from the yesteryears. I love vintage pieces, I love the 70s, and I like to add my own charm to what I pick from the yesteryears and create an all-new style. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite pieces from Myntra's monthly fashion edit. So let's have a look. The first piece is this relaxed stripe dress. The interesting thing about this dress is that it has a combination of vertical and horizontal stripes going on. I would like to wear it just like this with probably a straw bag, or for a more fun take, I would like to add these fun flared denims for a casual day out. Next is this very lovely dusty rose top with a nice sheen to it. I would love to wear this with beautiful bright orange skirt. Here's an interesting color blocking going on, which is not too loud, subtle, yet very chic. I would finish this look with dainty jewelry. So denim is my all-time favorite, and this month I love this denim shirt which is on Myntra. There's lovely embroidery going on here, a frayed hem line going on here. I would love to wear this shirt with a cool pair of relaxed denim joggers which have a side stripe. So here's an interesting take on denim as well as athleisure. So I'm totally up for it. My next pick is a travel-friendly option. It is this olive neutral jumpsuit from Mango. I love the details happening all around this jumpsuit, like around the neck, the buttons, the waist. What I like about this outfit is that it is so simple, utility oriented, yet upbeat. One of my favorite trends for this season would be animal print, but animal print can be quite tricky, so I have picked very neutral options to show you guys. The first one is this neutral animal print blouse, which you can wear with a relaxed pair of denims or even a pencil skirt if you want to go to work. I would love to pair this with another animal print option, which is this nice slinged bag with some embroidery going on. These two are really good options if you are trying out animal print for the first time. You don't want to go too loud, but you want to experiment as well. So that was the fashion edit for this month. Keep watching this space for more trends from Myntra.
Hey guys, this is Ananya and welcome to Myntra Monthly Fashion Roundup. I am a content manager and my personal style is very random. I really like experimenting, just like this reverse layered look that I have on for the day. So today I'm going to run you through the trendiest picks of the month and let's get started. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have this embroidered shift dress. It's just such a versatile piece. I think I would definitely like to team it up with a pair of sneakers for a basic comfortable look. So next we have this really cute pair of gym shorts, but honestly it's 2019 and athleisure is really in, and with athleisure being a rage, I think this can be worn anywhere. To team up with this, I would go for something which is a little dressier, like this white top, which has a very interesting detail in the form of a sheer neck and bouffant sleeves. So next we have this very interesting piece. Suede is my personal favorite and therefore I just had to pick this out. The color and the bell details in the waist makes it very utilitarian. I would definitely pick a basic top like this. I would tuck it inside the skirt and that would make a great outfit. So next we have striped top. Stripes are universally flattering, and if you're scared of trying prints, I think you can go ahead with this. What I like about this particular piece is that it has a belt that helps you cinch your waist. You can team it up with a pair of denim and you'll be good to go. I personally hate wearing heels because they're so uncomfortable. But then for certain days, you need that extra height. And for those days, where is it? We have cane platform heels like these. They are brown in color and of a neutral tonality, so you can team it up with nearly everything. So that's all for this month's fashion roundup. Keep watching this space for more trends from Myntra.
Hi guys, my name is Antarleena. I'm from the sports marketing team at Myntra and I welcome you to our monthly fashion roundup. So my personal style is mostly about mixing and matching. I like putting up different pieces from different places to create one new look. I love following trends as well, but I make sure that I add some or the other flavor of my own to it. Now let's have a look at some of the pieces that are trending this month. First up, we have this navy blue jumpsuit from Mango. It's completely a no-brainer. Times when you do not want to put an effort but still want to look stylish, this one is an absolute winner for those times. Perfect for office look and also great for a night out after work. Next up is this very interesting red sheer dress. So sheer is very much in trend and if you are not really comfortable wearing a sleeveless top or a noodle strap, then sheer is the perfect option for you to go modest and sexy at the same time. Up next, I have this interesting looking shirt where you can see watercolor print, and to pair this up with, I think this trouser here will go really well. You can see it's a high waist one and solid colored so as to balance out whatever drama is happening on the shirt, and also this trouser has a paper bag waist which is very much in trend. In my mind is a very feminine and a retro look. So I have picked this top from Forever 21 that is pretty feminine and flirty. Look at this pussy bow neckline. So to pair this up with, I have selected this skirt, making it a polka on polka look. If you're someone who likes simpler looks, then these last pieces are definitely for you. I've got this white bralette which is pretty dramatic, and to pair this up with, I've got this structured button down skirt. Together they'll create the perfect brunch look. And to top it up, I have got this amazing summer bag which will add the perfect beach vibe to your wardrobe. So that's all for this monthly fashion roundup. Keep watching this space for more fashion updates from Myntra.
Hey guys, I'm Apeksha and I'm the Senior Creative Manager at Myntra, and here's the monthly fashion roundup. So speaking of my personal style, I love spotting simple clean cuts and geometric prints. So let's look at this month's fashion edit. So first up, we have this mustard wrap style top. Mustard, by the way, is a very interesting color choice this season. You can pair this top with these khaki shorts and you'll have a complete look. And next up, we have this cropped muscle tee with this cute typo detail over here. You can pair this with these flared bottoms for a casual look. And if you want to go dressy in the evening, just throw in a pair of heels and a handbag and you're all set. Moving on, we have this interesting pair of neon suede pants. Neon, by the way, is a very interesting color this season. And just to tone down this look, you can pair it with a crisp blue shirt for an elevated look. Next up, we have this tonal look with these joggers and this tee. I would suggest you could style it with a layered neck piece for a casual look. So that's all for this month's roundup. Keep watching this space for more from Myntra.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.